Welcome to Joey's Tech. This is Joey, and in this video we are going to solve a problem that comes from Leetcode. The problem is implement strStr. This problem we are going to solve using Java. Without further ado, let's take a look at its problem statement. You are given two string variables needle and haystack. You need to return the index of the first occurrence of the string present in the string variable needle in the string present in the string variable haystack. If needle is not present in haystack, then you need to return -1. And in case the string variable needle is empty, then you should return 0. Basically, we have to write a function that implements the functionality of strStr function in C and index of function in Java. For example, the haystack string variable contains hello and the string variable needle contains "L". So your program must return 2. As you can see, the string LL is present in this string hello and its occurrence starts at index 2. Before we begin writing the program, let's understand the approach that we are going to take. So here I have kept the string of this variable haystack, and this is the string LL which is present in the string variable needle. We will have to iterate over this string, which is obvious, to find out the index of the first occurrence of the string present in the string variable needle. So let's start from here, the cell at index 0. How should we check if the string present in the string variable needle is present at index 0? It's simple. We are going to extract the substring that starts from this index and is equivalent to the length of the string present in the variable needle. The length of the string present in the string variable needle is 2. So we are going to consider the substring he. Okay. The substring starts from this cell at index 0 and the length of the substring is 2. And now we are going to compare this he against the string present in the variable needle. So he will be compared against L. They don't match. This concludes that LL, or the string present in the variable needle, is not present at index 0. So the counter moves one cell forward. Now the starting index of the substring becomes this cell at index 1. The length of the substring is 2. So the substring that is going to come out will be EL, and that EL will be compared against LL. Since they don't match, hence the algorithm is going to conclude that the string present in the string variable needle is not present at index 1. Now the counter moves one cell ahead. So the starting index of the substring becomes this cell at index 2. The length of the substring is 2. So the substring that is going to come out will be LL. LL will be compared against this LL, which is the string present in the string variable needle. We can see they both match. Hence the algorithm is going to conclude that the string present in the string variable needle starts at index 2 and it's going to return 2, which represents the index of the first occurrence of the string present in the string variable needle in the string variable haystack. I'm sure you have understood the algorithm. Before we begin coding the program, there is one thing which I would like you to notice. The iteration is going to continue till here. It's not going to go till the last cell, especially in this example. Why? Because the length of the string present in the string variable needle is 2. If the iteration moves to the last cell, then a substring of length 2 cannot be extracted from here. It's going to give a runtime error that we certainly don't want. Now let's begin coding the program in Java. This is my IntelliJ IDE. This is my project in which I'm now going to create a class. I'm going to name it strStr, and there you go, class created. I'll begin with writing the main function first, for which I'll simply type psvm, and IntelliJ is going to do the rest of the work for me. The first thing that I'm going to do is to declare and initialize two string variables, needle and haystack. So it will be string needle, and the string that I'm going to assign to this variable will be double L, and then comes the next string variable, which is haystack, and the string that is I'm going to assign to haystack will be hello. All right, now we are going to declare an integer variable and we'll call it len. This is going to store the length of the string present in the string variable needle. So it will be needle dot length. All right. Next, we are going to declare another integer variable, and we are going to call it idx, and the value that we are going to assign it to will be -1. Now we will write the code to cover some boundary cases, like when the string variable needle is empty or the length of the string variable needle is 0, we'll print 0. Also, we'll write the code to check if needle is equal to haystack. If that's the case, then we print 0 again. So we are going to write if needle comparison operator null or needle dot length comparison operator 0, then we are going to simply print 0 using system.out.println. all right, else if needle dot equals haystack, then also we are going to print 0. Okay, finally it's time to write the for loop. So it will be for int I equals to 0. The for loop is going to start from 0, and it is going to run till the index that is equal to the subtraction result of the length of the string present in the string variable haystack and the length of the string present in the string variable needle. Check here, the loop must run till this cell. The index of this cell is 3. Okay, the length of the string present in the string variable haystack is 5. 5 minus 2 gives you 3. That is why I is going to be less than equals to haystack dot length minus len, and then the third component will be incrementing I in steps of 1. Okay, now we'll simply use the substring function to extract the substring from haystack and compare it with needle. So it will be if within brackets it will be haystack dot substring. The first parameter of the function substring will be I, which is obvious, and the second parameter will be I plus len. So if I is 0, then 0 becomes the starting index, and 0 plus 2, because len is going to be 2, since len is equal to the length of the string present in the string variable needle. So 0 plus 2, which is equal to 2, becomes the end index of the substring. Okay, then we are going to simply write equals, and we'll pass needle within its brackets. Okay, now if they are equal, if this condition is satisfied, then we assign I to the variable idx and break out of the for loop. Okay, there is no need to go any further. And finally, out of this for loop, we print the value of the variable idx. So it will be system.out.println. Within its brackets, we are going to pass idx. That's it. The program is complete. Now let's run the program and check the output. And there you go. The program returns 2, which is the answer that we found out during our discussion of the algorithm. Let's try it out with one more use case. This time I am going to assign the string needle to haystack, and I am going to assign the string E to this string variable needle. Now the answer that I am going to expect will be 1, because the first occurrence of E starts at index 1. Okay, let's run the program and check if the program returns 1 as the answer. And there you go, this use case passed as well. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning this problem of Leetcode from Joey's Tech. I hope you coded this problem along with me. I look so much forward to helping you with programming and algorithms. And only for this video, goodbye, and take very good care of yourself and keep coding. Bye bye.